Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, we're very scattered. There are some tokens which are doing insanely well, and there are some tokens which are in complete red. If you look at WIF, Bonk, Shiba Inu, Pepe, everything is red. But then we talk about the new tokens which are meme coins but just into the top 100, which is the Doge and Brent. They are in the green. Now if we talk about Dogecoin, it actually falls somewhere in the middle because it is still holding on to that 16-cent mark, but at the same time it's not in a complete green. If we talk about the trading volume, it's also holding on pretty well, close to 800 million. There are some whales which are buying up huge chunk of Dogecoin while this price action is happening, while top traders think that Doge will end this bull market around $3. Dogecoin is money, and at the same time X payments just got another state. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Right now it is very critical. If we just look at the price action that Doge is following, now I don't want to just talk about the recent, when I mean at the start of May to now, let's talk about since the start of this bull market, which is end of February. Now if we look at the overall trend, you guys can see that we're still in a quite a significant uptrend. Now this uptrend will not be slowing down anytime soon, but if we look at the little distance uptrend, you can see that right now we are in this consolidation phase that we need to push a little bit higher. If we're able to stay above the 16.5 cents, it will be able to do a lot bigger numbers and actually stay in the uptrend for the whales to be excited at. And while we're on the topic of the whales, I want to show you guys this one. Now this whale, as you can see, this wallet was created close to the 21st of February. Pretty much no purchases were done, or just $16, $20. Then just about 4 days ago, they decided to do two transactions, which is one was $80 million worth of Dogecoin and second one was $72 million worth of Dogecoin. And this price was purchased around, or this amount of Doge was purchased around 15.8 cents. And this person believes that this is going to be the next leg up for Dogecoin, and they want to be geared up and be in the right mind and right position when Doge decides to climb. I mean, there are some traders which are top traders said that Dogecoin is going to be hitting $3 by the end once these Fibonacci levels are met. And honestly, it does not seem very far, because you guys can see the 2 months boiler bands are being crazy. Right now the number of 2020, or November of 2020, since then we have finally seen the LMCD do some big numbers. At the same time, Doge designer today tweeted out saying money is Doge, or Doge is money. And at the same time, X payments just got another state where X payments is actually being part of it and has been added. Now at the same time, you guys can see that the open interest has finally crossed the $800 million mark. The higher it is going to be, it will be much easier to make sure that more people are staying in the market, and that can be seen by also the trading volume, which is significantly higher. Talking about the liquidations, the longs are not having a wonderful day. Now I do want to talk about this one token which has actually caught my attention. It's called Play Doge. They're still in the pre-sale stage, but their idea is really interesting, which is play to earn. Now they're going to be releasing pretty much a game which is going to be a 2D game. It's going to be very similar, which is like run to earn, but you can see that this is going to be the game where you will be able to play and at the same time earn some Doge. Right now they are in the pre-sale stage, and last time I actually looked at them in a video, they were at around 250,000, and just in a couple of days they're already at $1.7 million being raised. If you do want to check them out, I'll link it down in the description. Simply just go on the website, connect your wallet, and you can actually purchase it in this pre-sale. I personally feel like once it comes out to public, this is going to be exploding, because in about 2 to 3 days being able to do 1.7 million raise is quite crazy. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Now talking about another whale, now this whale you guys can see has been very confused. When I say very confused, they are purchasing big amounts, but pretty much every single day they do want to sell a little bit, but overall they're still in a $300 million profit. So overall their buying structure right now has been so large. When I say it's so large, well, they are buying a lot more more than they are selling. Another whale is this one. You can see on the 22nd, with the fear and the market being close to 17 cents, they sold $50 million worth of Doge. But then today, or just about 3 days ago, they purchased back 14 million at the 16-cent mark. So you can see right now, the market is so sloppy. I think that would be the best word to describe how the market is performing. The reason it is so interesting and the purpose of it being sloppy is there are so many whales which are buying and also trying to sell. So there's pretty much just a trading pattern that's been formed right now, and for this trading pattern to break, we will have to break above this price action. As I mentioned, we just need to be able to get to the 20-cent mark for Dogecoin, and then what will happen is a lot of FOMO will kick in and more people buy in. The price action will be pushed up very quickly. Now another thing is Ali. Dogecoin whales have bought an additional 200 million Dogecoins since the May 30th, and that's only 6 days, just to give you perspective. And that should also give you the perspective how many whales are actually paying attention to Dogecoin. Now Thailand unlocks a gateway for crypto with pioneering Bitcoin ETF launch. Now this is really good because Hong Kong was one of the first to do this. I'm not gonna name a country or a city. Hey, that's political and I don't want to be part of that. But if we talk about the Thailand, this is really good because they're trying to also get the Bitcoin ETF out as quickly as possible for their people, and this is obviously going to have a very positive impact on the inflowing of money from Asian countries. At the same time, massive Dogecoin accumulation signals a potential rally in the future. Now keep in mind, the potential rally that we are receiving right now for Dogecoin, we just need to make sure that this accumulation period actually comes out to be positive. When I say it comes out to be positive, in simple terms, we just need to make sure that it's able to just keep climbing rather than, you know, just seeing a really massive sell-off and then the whole crypto market decides to crumble, and so does Dogecoin. We do not want to see one of those days. Ripple may dump record 400 million XRP this June, and if that happens, that's going to be sending a really strong sell-off signal for XRP. And if that happens, well, just so you know, there's going to be a downfall of Ripple and maybe Doge will be able to catch up to the market. I know you guys will say that's only $200 million that will be taken off the market, but you do need to account for all the panic sellers that will also come in. European crypto sector grows by 94% with 1.6 million new users in the first quarter of 2024. Now that is a big number. There are a lot of new people that are coming into the crypto market, and at the same time, they are performing some big numbers. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.